Elon Musk, better known as Lex Luthor, has created a new robot. And this new robot, this new robot has the function ability to babysit your kids, walk the dog, get the groceries, and mow the lawn. So, as the beginning stages of this new robot of artificial intelligence, it goes back to the simple mind frame of remember that one question we told ourselves, I wonder what this is. And someone always had an answer for it. And then it got kind of annoying because it was getting a little weird and getting a little creepy simply because all your questions were answered very fast, very quickly, very efficiently. And that's all there was to it. For some people, they find that very disturbing simply because if you can do all that, what's going to cause it to malfunction or to overwrite a system of cybernetic security, which will overload it into turning it into a terminator. And that has been people's fear since the beginning of time. If I can't unplug it or control it, therefore it is a threat to me. But yet, at the same time, scrolling through your Instagram and trying to pick a feature or a filter that's going to best suit your picture, you question the back of your brain of what does this mean? But a part of you says, from the observation of your vision of how the screen goes across your eyes, you feel as if a certain vision of your eyes has been scanned. But half of the time you get your face scanned, all these different colors, and you don't know what's happening on the other side of what your local government is doing with your face of artificial intelligence to improve self-worth of cybernetic security to protect the United States of America and everyday things. So when it comes to camera work, some people do not have reality vision. Reality vision was the only vision that was designed within the 9-month stages of a pregnancy. So when you was born, you had regular vision. You saw regular things, which consists of the brain waves to make you do regular things. Some people believe they have advanced from regular things and have 20/20 vision. Most people have the ability to do things that average people can do on a consistent everyday basis. They are better known as called average Joe. Average Joe has the ability to do simple and everyday simple tasks, and he has a certain strand of mass capacity in order to complete the task. Majority of people of everyday time has different visions. So when you have a different vision, the brain waves of your brain cells is going to articulate what you hear, taste, smell, and what you do. So if you have medium format camera vision, you don't have regular vision. If you have combat camera vision, you don't have regular vision. If you have Black Magic Pocket CC vision, you have a different set of vision. If you have action camera vision, you don't have regular vision. If you have mirrorless camera vision, that's a whole different set of vision from regular vision. If you have film camera vision, you have a different vision besides regular vision. If you have panoramic camera vision, if you have Blackmagic URSA Mini Pro vision, if you have ARPRI Alexa vision, or if you have Sony A7S111 vision, or Sony Sony PXW-FS5 vision, you do not have regular vision because your vision has advanced. Your vision of how you view things and what you have accepted has told you something completely different. So majority of the time you are advanced and you don't even know the proper terms or the definition of the sequence of the substance of, well, it can't be a substance of the creation of which you are seeing, but if you're going to the brain flow and your molecules, your red blood cells and your white blood cells, then you have turned into a computer. You are robotronic, which means the human factors of you of anxiety or the basic normal everyday human structure of the DNA, of which creates chromosomes X, Y, the recessive, the Charles Dawson theory. All those things consist of one simple thing, that you have advanced from human anatomy and you are now considered technology. You are basically the first generation of artificial intelligence based off the skills and the task of the observation of what you are looking at. So therefore, you are more qualified to completing the objective of what you're trying to do. And what we have found out through recent study is some people are better known as in denial. And in denial consists of these formats of confusion. It causes lies to the brain, and you truly believe that you are no longer special to the objective of what you're trying to do. And I say that all to say is, what kind of vision do you have in the regular world without technology?
To you. Is Homer Thompson. I got you. Hello, Mr. Thompson. You smile and nod. No problem. Hello, Mr. Thompson. I think he's talking to you.